Hello everyone, today in this video we will learn how we can check the ranking of the universities. For example, if you want to apply to one university, then you should know the ranking of that university. So let's start how we can check it. We'll come here and search Shanghai ranking universities. After you search the Shanghai ranking universities, then you will come here and you can see here Shanghai ranking. Click here. Then you can search the university. For example, if you want to search Zhejiang University, you can see that the academic ranking of world universities, it's 33. And we can also see that it is like also ranked based on the subjects. For example, if you want to see the biotechnology, then it's ranked on second number, and biomedical engineering third number. Similarly, computer science and engineering. So you can see the subject wise ranking and overall university ranking here on that website. You can also see that how much international students are there. You can see that undergraduate enrollment international student are 10%, total international student overall international student are 6.8%. Similarly, for graduate, there are 6.4% international students. And we can also see here that best Chinese universities ranking, that Zhejiang University is ranked on third number in Chinese universities, or all the Chinese universities. So you can see the ranking here, and you can also see the ranking of other universities which are international level worldwide. Like we want to see the universities of Monash. For example, if you want to see the ranking of Monash University, it's in Australia. So you can see here it's ranked on 77 overall worldwide. And here also you can see the subject wise ranking and international students. You can also see the graduate and undergraduate programs on which you can apply. If you want to apply, for example, on applied history, then you can see here whether the applied history is available for graduate program. So there is like useful information available on that website. You can visit and see another university you want to see, for example, North Eastern University Shanghai, and you can see here it's ranking worldwide and also best Chinese university ranking as well. You can also see here like in 2021, 2022, 2023, how much, on which rank that university were. Like in 2021 it was on 36, and then in 2022 39, and now in 2023 it's on 38th rank. So this website is very valuable to see the university ranking. And yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.